In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson EcoTank ET-2750 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson EcoTank ET-2750 support, and you want to search for that. Best results, you come back with an Epson website right here. This is Epson ET-2750. Go ahead and open up that link. And now you want to go and just scroll down underneath downloads and underneath operating system, click the drop down and select Windows 11 and then select go. And now scrolling down again, there should be a driver and utility combo package installer. Go ahead and select download for that. And then once it's done, go ahead and open up that file. And it should be a verified publisher. Should say Epson in the name here. Driver package setup. Go ahead and select yes. And then you can close out of the browser. And then you want to proceed with the installer file here. It's a pretty intuitive process. You may want to make sure your Wi-Fi credentials are properly put onto your printer. So plug in your printer, turn it on, fill up the ink, and then you want to go ahead and continue with the installer file here. You can turn on or off certain optional software updates or features as you proceed with the steps. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.